Hello, my friends and health warriors. My name is Nikolai Ninev, and I am a certified food expert and pharmacist. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of wellness and nutrition. Today we are going to dive into an amazing world hidden in the most ordinary things, the world of postbiotics. If you've heard of probiotics and prebiotics, get ready, because it's time to introduce you to their little-known but extremely important cousin, postbiotics. In this video, we'll take a look at what postbiotics are, why they're so important to our health, and how we can incorporate them into our daily routine. Get ready for a fascinating journey into the microbiome, where we'll encounter scientific facts and interesting discoveries. Now, let's dive into this microscopic universe and find out why postbiotics deserve our attention. What are postbiotics? Postbiotics are essentially the byproducts produced during the fermentation process by probiotics, the beneficial bacteria in our gut. These byproducts include a variety of substances, such as short-chain fatty acids, peptides, polysaccharides, cell surface proteins, and even dead bacterial cells. While the concept might seem a bit off-putting at first, after all, we're talking about bacterial waste. It's in these substances that much of the magic of postbiotics lies. Unlike probiotics, postbiotics are non-living, which means they are stable, have a longer shelf life, and don't require special storage conditions. This makes them a more convenient option in various applications, ranging from dietary supplements to food additives. But why should we care about these microscopic byproducts? The answer lies in their powerful benefits. Research has shown that postbiotics can play a significant role in gut health, immune function, reducing inflammation, and even potentially in weight management and reducing the risk of certain diseases. They work by interacting with our gut cells, stimulating the immune system, and modulating the gut environment to support our health. So, as we delve deeper into the science of gut health, it's becoming clear that postbiotics are not just a passing fad, but a critical component in the complex world of microbiota and human health. They represent an exciting frontier in nutrition science, promising new ways to support our well-being from the inside out. Since the definitions can be confusing, here's a brief overview of each type. Probiotics are the healthy, or friendly, bacteria that live inside your gut and support your health by converting fiber into compounds that have benefits for your health. Prebiotics are a group of nutrients, mainly fiber, that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Postbiotics are the bioactive compounds the probiotic bacteria produce when they consume prebiotics, fiber. In the next sections, we'll explore the various roles that postbiotics play in our body, their health benefits, and how we can incorporate them into our diet for optimal health. What are the various types of postbiotics? Diving deeper into the world of postbiotics, we find a diverse array of substances. Short-chain fatty acids, these are perhaps the most well-known postbiotics. Produced when probiotics ferment dietary fibers, short-chain fatty acids include substances like butyrate, acetate, and propionate. They play a crucial role in maintaining gut health, regulating immune responses, and even providing energy to our gut cells. Functional proteins, these include enzymes, peptides, and cell surface proteins generated during the life cycle of probiotic bacteria. They can act as antioxidants, antimicrobial agents, and modulators of the gut's immune system. Cell wall components, components of the bacterial cell wall, such as peptidoglycans and teichoic acids, can also act as postbiotics. These components can stimulate the immune system and have been linked to various health benefits. Exopolysaccharides, produced by certain probiotic bacteria, these complex sugar molecules can have immunomodulatory effects and play a role in maintaining the structure of the gut microbiota. Bacterial lysates, these are fragments of probiotic bacteria obtained when the bacteria are broken down. They can stimulate the immune system and have been used in various health supplements and skincare products. Metabolites, postbiotics are also metabolites that probiotics produce, such as vitamins and amino acids. They contribute to various physiological processes in the body. Lipopolysaccharides. In discussing the diverse world of postbiotics, it's important to mention another key player, lipopolysaccharides, LPS. These are large molecules found in the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria and have a unique role in the postbiotic landscape. Lipopolysaccharides are particularly interesting because they are a double-edged sword in the context of human health. On one hand, LPS can be endotoxins. When they enter the bloodstream, they can trigger an immune response, which, at high levels, could lead to inflammation and even septic shock. However, in the controlled environment of the gut, low levels of LPS can actually be beneficial. They can help in training and strengthening the immune system, providing a sort of exercise for our immune cells. The key with LPS, as with many components of our microbiota, is balance. In the right amounts, they contribute positively to the complex ecosystem of our gut, playing a subtle but significant role in maintaining our health. This highlights the intricate nature of our relationship with the microbial world. What can be harmful in one scenario can be beneficial in another. Each of these postbiotic types offers different benefits, and their effects can vary based on the specific strains of probiotics that produce them, the individual's gut environment, and other factors. This diversity is what makes postbiotics a fascinating area of study and holds great promise for future health applications. In the next section, we'll delve into the health benefits of postbiotics and how they can contribute to overall wellness. Stay tuned to discover the myriad ways these tiny but mighty substances impact our health. Health benefits of postbiotics. Number 1, it may help boost your immune system. Postbiotics can play a crucial role in bolstering the immune system. Substances like short-chain fatty acids and bacterial lysates have been found to modulate immune responses, enhancing the body's ability to fight off pathogens. They do this by interacting with gut cells, promoting the development of immune cells, and helping to maintain the integrity of the gut barrier. For example, postbiotics like butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid, can stimulate the production of regulatory T cells in your intestine. Those cells help control the magnitude of your body's immune response. Other postbiotics, such as cell wall fragments and supernatant from healthy bacteria, can increase the production of anti-inflammatory chemical messengers called cytokines that help reduce inflammation and promote immune responses. Studies in adults have found that postbiotics may help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections like the common cold. One 12-week study in 80 healthy older adults found that daily postbiotic supplementation lowered their risk of a respiratory infection and improved their ability to produce antibodies that help defend the body against harmful bacteria and toxins. In another 20-week study, 300 older adults were given either a placebo, a low-dose postbiotic, or a high-dose postbiotic supplement daily to protect against the common cold. By the end of the study, significantly fewer people in the low and high-dose postbiotic groups developed the common cold than in the placebo group. Number 2, may help reduce digestive symptoms. For those suffering from digestive discomfort, postbiotics could offer relief. By influencing the gut microbiota and promoting a healthy gut environment, they can alleviate symptoms of bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. The balancing act they perform in the gut also helps in maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Research suggests that postbiotics, such as short-chain fatty acids, may help improve symptoms for people with mild to moderate ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease, 2 types of IBD. People with IBD tend to produce fewer short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, in their gut, which plays a role in regulating immunity and inflammation in the digestive tract. For example, butyrate plays a role in activating the immune cells that help reduce inflammation. A small study in 13 people with mild to moderate Crohn's disease found that taking 4 grams of butyrate daily for 8 weeks resulted in clinical improvements and remission in 53% of participants. Number 3, may help prevent and treat diarrhea. Postbiotics have shown promise in both preventing and treating diarrhea, particularly antibiotic-associated and infectious diarrhea. They work by competing with pathogens for adhesion sites on the gut lining, producing antimicrobial substances, and modulating the immune system. For example, a review of 7 studies in 1,740 children found that supplementing with postbiotics significantly reduced the duration of diarrhea and was more effective than placebo treatments at preventing diarrhea. Similarly, a review of 23 studies in 3,938 children found that supplementing with postbiotics was significantly more effective than a placebo at preventing antibiotic-associated diarrhea. In a small study, 137 adults with chronic diarrhea were treated with either a postbiotic supplement or a probiotic supplement for 4 weeks. By the end of the study, the postbiotic supplement was shown to be more effective at treating diarrhea than the probiotic. Additionally, a 4-week study in 297 adults with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, found that supplementing with a postbiotic significantly reduced bowel motion frequency, bloating, and pain and improved their overall quality of life. Number 4, may help with allergies. Emerging research suggests that postbiotics may help alleviate allergic reactions. Their role in immune modulation can help in reducing the body's allergic response, offering potential benefits for those suffering from allergies like hay fever, asthma, or food allergies. A study in 34 adults with atopic dermatitis, eczema, found that supplementing with a postbiotic for 8 to 12 weeks significantly reduced the severity of the condition. In comparison, the placebo group saw no improvements. Number 5, may aid weight loss. Some studies indicate that postbiotics, especially short-chain fatty acids, may aid in weight management. They influence metabolism, can help regulate appetite, and improve insulin sensitivity, all of which are crucial factors in managing weight. Number 6, may help lower the risk of heart disease. The impact of postbiotics on heart health is noteworthy. They can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, both key risk factors for heart disease. In animal studies, butyrate seems to help lower blood pressure and suppress genes that play a role in cholesterol production. Number 7, may help manage blood sugar levels. Postbiotics may be beneficial in managing blood sugar levels, making them potentially useful for individuals with diabetes or at risk of developing it. They can enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose levels, contributing to better blood sugar control. Number 8, may have anti-tumor properties. Some postbiotics have shown potential for combating tumor growth. Certain bacterial lysates and metabolites can stimulate the body's natural anti-tumor responses, offering a promising avenue for cancer research. Some test tube and animal studies suggest postbiotics may suppress the growth and spread of some cancer cells, including colon and stomach cancer cells. Number 9, may be better tolerated than probiotics. For individuals with conditions like small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, postbiotics might be a better option than probiotics. Since they are non-living, they do not contribute to the bacterial load in the gut, making them easier to tolerate. Each of these benefits highlights the versatile and powerful role of postbiotics in health and disease prevention. As research continues to unfold, it's becoming clear that these microbial byproducts are not just waste products, but vital contributors to our overall health and well-being. How do you add postbiotics to your diet? Postbiotics aren't as widely available as prebiotics and probiotics. However, you can buy them from select health food stores and online. In some cases, rather than being labeled postbiotics, they may have another name like sodium butyrate, calcium butyrate, or dried yeast fermentate. Because postbiotics are made from fermentation by healthy bacteria in your gut, you can naturally increase your production of postbiotics by eating prebiotic and probiotic-rich foods. By increasing your intake of prebiotic and probiotic foods in order to create more postbiotics, you'll get the added health benefits associated with pre- and probiotics. Sources of prebiotics. Prebiotics are generally found in high-fiber foods such as whole grains and vegetables. The following foods are some good sources: chicory root, garlic, onions, asparagus, barley, oats, flaxseed, and seaweed. Sources of probiotics. Probiotics are generally found in fermented foods and beverages, such as yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and kombucha. Potential downsides and safety of postbiotics. While postbiotics offer a plethora of health benefits, it's crucial to also consider their potential downsides and safety aspects. Like any component of our diet or supplement regime, understanding the full spectrum of effects is essential for informed use. Varied responses based on individual health. One of the primary considerations is that the effects of postbiotics can vary greatly from person to person. Factors such as individual gut microbiota composition, existing health conditions, and genetic predispositions can influence how one's body reacts to postbiotics. For some, certain postbiotics might cause discomfort or adverse reactions. Number 1. Possible allergic reactions. Though rare, there's a possibility of allergic reactions to certain postbiotic components, especially in individuals with known allergies to microbial products. It's important to be aware of the source of the postbiotics and any potential allergens they might contain. Number 2. Risk of contamination. Since postbiotics are derived from microbial sources, there's a risk of contamination with harmful bacteria or toxins. This risk underscores the importance of choosing high-quality, well-tested postbiotic products from reputable sources. Number 3. Interaction with medications. Postbiotics can interact with certain medications, potentially altering their effectiveness. It's advisable for individuals on medication to consult healthcare professionals before starting any postbiotic supplements. Number 4. Lack of long-term studies. Although research on postbiotics is promising, there's still a need for more long-term studies to fully understand their effects, especially regarding prolonged use. In conclusion, while postbiotics are generally considered safe and beneficial, it's important to approach their use with mindfulness and, where necessary, professional guidance. Recommended dosage of postbiotics. When it comes to incorporating postbiotics into your health regimen, understanding the recommended dosage is crucial. Postbiotics, as we've learned, are byproducts of probiotics and offer various health benefits, but like any supplement or dietary component, they need to be consumed in appropriate amounts. Currently, there are no universally standardized guidelines for the dosage of postbiotics. This is partly due to the variety of postbiotic types and the differences in individual health needs and responses. The recommended dosage can vary depending on the specific type of postbiotic. For instance, the dosage for short-chain fatty acids might differ from that for bacterial lysates or other metabolites. When using commercial postbiotic supplements, it's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions. These dosages are often based on the amount that has been found effective in research studies. For personalized advice, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications, consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable. They can provide guidance tailored to your individual health needs. The duration for which postbiotics should be taken can vary. Some people may experience benefits from short-term use, while others might need longer periods, especially for chronic conditions. Factors like age, weight, diet, and overall health can influence how much and how often postbiotics should be consumed. As we come to the end of our journey through the fascinating world of postbiotics, it's clear that these microscopic marvels are more than just a footnote in the story of gut health. They are vital players in the complex symphony of our microbiome, influencing everything from our digestion to our immune response and even our mood. Remember, the realm of postbiotics is as intricate as it is promising. It's a testament to the power of the unseen world within us and a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the delicate balance of our body's ecosystem. As science continues to unravel the mysteries of postbiotics, we eagerly await new discoveries that could revolutionize our approach to health and wellness. So, the next time you enjoy a fiber-rich meal or take a probiotic supplement, think about the postbiotic activity you're fostering in your gut. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. We hope you're leaving with a deeper understanding and appreciation of postbiotics and their role in your health. Stay curious and stay healthy. Until next time.